Hi guys, thank you very much for visiting once again. As Humberto, I will be sharing today in our video the way how to launch your Office applications in safe mode. Over here I have Word and Excel. Let me just bring also PowerPoint. So over here you might have or you might use also different applications like Access, Publisher, all right, Outlook, OneNote, which are applications that are included. So, how to launch them in safe mode, and what will be the main reason we want to launch Office applications in safe mode. So, the main reason is because whenever we launch in safe mode, there might be some features that we added to our Office applications. Those are called add-ins, right? They are not included in the package itself for the original installation, but they are additional features that we might add as the time goes along. So, uh, basically, to launch them in safe mode, we have a couple of ways. I will show them the easiest one. The very first option will be like going to the all of your programs by just left clicking the start icon located to the very bottom left hand side. If you have it, just look at whatever you have your taskbar located at. I have another video that will display how to customize your taskbar if you want to have them at the bottom like mine or any other place. Now, after you click here, you will find all of your applications, right? So the very first option is holding the control key down. All right. I try with Excel, for example. Let me just search for Excel. I have located. I haven't done anything. I hold down the control key. Uh, I keep it held, and then I click it. I'm still holding the key, right? Then this window, I can release the key already. This window will show up. You are holding down the control key. Do you want to start Excel in safe mode? And then you want to hit yes, right? Which is our main intention of holding the control key down. Now, over here you can see that our Office applications is running right now in safe mode. Something that you might have noticed is that the Office application itself launched like quicker, right, than usual. So it's because of that, because of a safe mode. Uh, Let me just close this down. I'm gonna try with a different application. For example, Word. Let me scroll down all the way. They will be categorized or sorted alphabetically. So under the letter W, I will be able to find Word. So I hold down once again the control key. Okay. I wait for the dialog box. I release the key and then I hit yes once again. Now that I'm asked if I want to launch Word in safe mode. So as you can see over here, it's launch in safe mode. Now, there is another way we can do it. For example, I can right click on this start menu icon. I hit run to bring up this window, okay, the run window, or I just hit the combination of keys Windows R buttons, and then the same run window will display. If depending on the Office applications, right, I want to write down over here, for example, if I want Excel to launch in safe mode, I will need to type in excel.exe space and then / safe. Okay. Now, if I want to do it right in for another application, right? Let's say I want to do it for Word. It will not be Word.exe. They have their own command. In this case, for example, for Word will be win. Let me just correct winword.exe space then save. right? The same thing will apply if I want to do it for PowerPoint. Okay, it will be a different command. In this case will be power pnt.exe / save. Okay, basically that'll do it. Okay, that will perform the job for us. So let's test, for example, PowerPoint pnt, right? Power pnt.exe space / save. Hit OK or enter on your keyboard, and then here it is, right? PowerPoint, it's been launched in safe mode. Okay, as you can see over here, it's in safe mode. Okay, so we can test with the other applications, right? Like excel.exe / save. Okay, while that is opening, I'm gonna do it for Word. That will be winword.exe space / save. Okay, that will be a different way to launch the Office applications in safe mode. Okay, and pretty much I hope you like the video. Okay, and subscribe for more.